Hello guys, welcome back to Competitive World channel. Before going to start the video, if you are going to watch my channel for first time, means don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon to get all notifications of uploaded videos in this channel. Okay guys, in this video we'll discuss some of the important aptitude questions. The first question, what will come in the place of question mark in the following equation? They given one equation, that is 5863 minus square root of 2704 into 0.5, which is equals to question mark. We need to calculate the given expression, what they given. Write down the given equation as it is. In the place of question mark, we may consider x. 5863 minus square root of 2704 into 0.5, which is nothing but x. And here square root of 2704, which is nothing but 52 square. So in the place of that, write down 52. 5863 minus 52 into 0.5x, 0.5, which is equals to x. And the difference between 5863 minus 52 is 5811 into 0.5, which is equals to x. And the product of these two is 2905.5, which is equals to x, which is equals to x. Hence option B is correct answer. The next question, the petrol tank of Bajaj Pulsar can hold g liters of gas if a liter was removed when the tank was full. What part of the full tank was removed? They given four options. First one is G minus A, second one is G by A, and third one is A by G, and fourth one is G minus A by A. We have that. Here the question is, the petrol tank of Bajaj Pulsar can hold G liters of gas. The capacity of Bajaj Pulsar is G liters. If A liters of gas is removed, means A liters, that is A is a quantity, that A liters of the gas is removed from the tank. We need to calculate the part that full tank was removed. Just we have a total capacity of gas G and A liters of gas is removed. Just we have to write a G, which is a full tank of gas in the Bajaj Pulsar, and A gas of liters is removed. So a fraction of full tank that it is removed, which is equals to A by G, because G is a total gas which is present in that pulsar and A quantity of gas is removed, so A by G. Hence option C is correct answer. On to next problem, solve the following. 7.99 whole square minus 13.001 whole square plus 4.01 whole cube whole to the power of 2, which is equals to question mark. We need to find the approximate value of this expression. They given four options. Among that, first one is minus 1800, second one is 1450, third one is minus 1680, and fourth one is 1681. Write down the given expression as it is. Approximately 7.99, which is nothing but 8, and 4.01 is nothing but 4. So in the place of 7.99 whole square, which is nothing but 8 square, minus 13.001, which is nothing but 13 whole square, minus 4.01 whole cube is nothing but 4 cube whole to the power of 2, which is equals to question mark. Yeah, here 8 square is nothing but 64, minus 13 square is nothing but 169, plus 4 cube is nothing but 64 whole to the power of 2. So 128 minus 169, which is equals to minus 41 whole to the power of 2. Minus 41 whole square is nothing but minus 41 into 41, which is nothing but 1681. 1681. Hence option D is correct answer. Question. In the following question, two equations numbered 1 and 2 are given. You have to solve both equations and give answer. They given two equations. First one is x cube into 13, which is equals to x square into 247. Second one is y to the power of 1 by 3 into 14, which is equals to 294 divided by y to the power of 2 by 3. The given 4 options, among that first one is if x is greater than y, second one is if x is greater than or equals to y, C is if x is less than y, and fourth one is if x is less than or equals to y. They given 4 conditions. Before going to say out of 4 any one, we need to simplify 2 equations. First write down the first equation. Here is the first equation, that is x cube into 13 which is equals to x square into 247. Yeah, x cube hold here in RHS there is term x square, in LHS there is term x cube. You may take this RHS side x square term to LHS, it will come in denominator, that is x cube by x square which is equals to 247 by this LHS term 13 will come into the denominator of RHS. So 247 by 13. In the here in LHS x cube by x square term will get cancelled and remains x. Here 13 ones and here 13 ones, 13 nines here, therefore x is equals to 19. Again we need to simplify second equation. Write down second equation as it is, that is y to the power of 1 by 3 into 14 which is equals to 294 by y to the power of 2 by 3. Here in LHS and in RHS there is, that is 2 common terms, y to the power of 1 by 3 and y to the power of 2 by 3. So take it this y to the power of 2 by 3 to LHS, it will become y to the power of 1 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3. Therefore 294 by this LHS 14 will come to RHS in the denominator, that is 294 by 14. Y to the power of 1 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 which is nothing but in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. It is nothing but bases are same, means powers can be added, that is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 which is nothing but 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is nothing but 1, therefore y to the power of 1 which is equals to, here 14 2s are 28 and remainder 1, here again 14 1s are, therefore y is equals to 21. Here you have to compare x and y values, which x is less than y, therefore x is less than y or y is greater than x. Need to see the options. They given x is greater than y, x is greater than or equals to y, and if x is less than y and x is less than or equals to y, but only the suitable answer is x is less than y, hence option C is correct answer. One more problem as like before problem, solve the given equation. Here also they given 2 equations we need to solve. First one is 12 into 4 by x to the power of 4 by 7 minus 3 into 4 by x to the power of 4 by 7 which is equals to x to the power of 10 by 7. And second one is y cube plus 783 which is equals to 999. They given 4 options. Among that first one is if x is greater than y, second one if x is greater than or equals to y, and third one if x is less than y, and fourth one is if x is less than or equals to y. First you need to write down the first and second equations as it is. Let us solve first equation. 12 into 4 by x to the power of 4 by 7 minus 3 into 4 by x to the power of 4 by 7 which is equals to x to the power of 10 by 7. Here there is common term, that is 4 by x to the power of 4 by 7. First 12 4s are 48 and 3 4s are 12. And there is term which is common, that is 1 by x to the power of 4 by 7 which is equals to x to the power of 10 by 7. The difference between these two is 36, that is 48 minus 12 is nothing but 36 which is equals to x to the power of 10 by 7. When we take this LHS denominator term to RHS, it will become in the product, it will be in product form. So 36 is equals to x to the power of, here the bases are same, so powers can be added, that is 10 by 7 plus 4 by 7 is nothing but 14 by 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are, therefore x to the power of 2, 36 which is equals to x square, hence x is equals to 6. Here is second equation, y cube plus 783 which is equals to 999. Y cube is equals to 999 minus this LHS term we need to take into RHS, that will become minus 783. 999 minus 783 which is equals to 216. Therefore cube root of 216 is nothing but 6. Therefore y is equals to 6. We need to compare here x and y values. Here x is plus or minus 6 and y is plus 6. Hence y is greater than or equals to x. Hence, we need to observe the given options here. First one is x greater than y, and second one is x greater than or y. Third one is x is less than y, and fourth one is x is less than or equals to y. Among these, option B is correct answer. Hence, option B is the answer to this question. Next question. If a by b is equals to 3 by 5, then 15a is equals to question mark. They given 4 options, that is first one 10b, second one is 15b, third one is 9b, and fourth one is 25b. Let us write the given equation as it is, that is a by b which is equals to 3 by 5. Then we need to calculate 15a value. Let us solve this first one. A by b which is equals to 3 by 5. Let us cross multiply. 5a is equals to 3b. We need to calculate 15a value. How many times of 5a is 15? 3 times. So we need to multiply 3 to both sides. 3 times of 5a is nothing but 15a, and 3 times of 3 is nothing but 9. 9 into b. Therefore 15a is equals to 9b. Hence option C is correct answer. Hence let's move on to next problem. If x is equals to y is equals to 2z and xyz is equals to 256, then what is the value of x? The given two expressions or equations, that is x is equals to y is equals to 2z and xyz is equals to 256. We need to find the x value. They given 4 options. In that, first one is 12, second one is 8, and third one is 16, fourth one is 6. Write down the given two equations as it is. Among these two equations, we need to compare. Here x is equals to y and y is equals to 2z, which is nothing but y is equals to x. Just solve this xyz is equals to 256. Here substitute y is nothing but x and z is nothing but x by 2. So x into x by z, which is equals to 256. X into x is nothing but x cube by 2, which is equals to 256. And we need to calculate x value. So take this denominator 2 to our RHS. It will become product of 256 and 2, which is nothing but 512. Cube root of 512 is nothing but 8. Hence x is nothing but 8. Therefore option B is correct answer. Let's move on to our next problem. In a class composed of x girls and y boys, what part of a class is composed of girls? Yeah, here in a class composed by x girls and y boys, what part of the class is composed of x girls? We need to calculate. They given 4 options. Among that, first one is y by x plus y, second one is x by xy, third one is x by x plus y, and fourth one is y by xy. First, total number of boys and girls, which is equals to x plus y, because already in the question they given x number of girls and y number of boys are composed in a class. So total number of boys and girls are nothing but x plus y. Number of girls is equals to x and number of boys is equals to y. Part of class is composed. Yeah, part of class composed by girls is nothing but number of girls in a class by total number of students, that is total number of girls and boys, which is nothing but x by x plus y. Therefore option C is correct answer. Let's move on to next problem. What is the value of 13 whole to the power of 13 into 13 to the power of 7? They given 4 options. Among that, first one is 13 to the power of 6, second one is 13 to the power of 19, and third one is 13 to the power of 20, fourth one is 13 to the power of minus 6. As we know that a power m into a power n, which is nothing but a to the power of m plus n, or here the base is same, no, so powers can be added. Write down the given expression as it is. 13 to the power of 13 into 13 to the power of 7, which is nothing but bases are same, hence power can be added. 13 plus 7. So 13 to the power of 20 is correct answer, which is nothing but C. The next problem. If 11 cube is subtracted from the square of the number, the answer so obtained is 6590. What is the number? The given 4 options. First one is 36, second one is 58, third one is 89, and fourth one is 48. First we need to understand the question. If 11 cube is subtracted from a square number, first we need to consider a square number, that will be a square, and in which we need to subtract 11 cube, that is a square minus 11 cube, which is equals to, and they given the answer so obtained is 6590. So we need to equate for this 6590. Therefore a square is equals a square minus 11 cube is nothing but 11 into 11 into 11, which is 1331, is equals to 6590. We need to take this LHS minus term to RHS. It will become plus 1331. A square is equals to 6590 plus 1331, which is equals to 7921. Square root of 7921 is nothing but 89. Hence option C is correct answer. Let's move on to our next problem. What percent of 60 is 12? They given 4 options. In that, first one is 25, second one is 20, third one is 30, and fourth one is 12.5. To find what percentage of 60 12 is, we need to find first 12 by 60 into 100%. So 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 times of 10 is nothing but 20%. Hence among these 4 options, option B is correct answer. Let's move on to next problem. What is the value of 94.5% of 650? They given 4 options. In that, first one is 606.4.5, second one is 521.65, third one is 518.55, and fourth one is 614.25. First, write down the question as it is, that is 94.5% of 650, which is nothing but 94.5%. Half is nothing but into 650. 94.5% is nothing but 94.5 by 100 into 650. 0 0 will get cancelled, and 5 twos are 20, 5 ones are 5, remainder 1, that is 5 threes are 15. Again we need to divide by 2. 2 ones are, and 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, and remainder 0, and again 2 twos are 4, and remainder is 1, 2 fives are 10. If we will put 0 here, means it will become 10, that is 2 fives are 10 into 13, that is 47.25 into 13. The product of the two is 614.25, which is nothing but 6014.25. that is option 4 is correct answer. Let's move on to next problem. Solve x percentage of y is y percentage of question mark. They given 4 options. In that, first one is x by y, second one is 2y, third one is x, and fourth one is y square. Write down the expression what they given as it is, that is x percentage of y is y percentage of question mark. Instead of that question mark, you may consider a p or any letter or any number not any letter. X percentage is nothing but x by 100. Half is nothing but into y, which is equals to y percentage, that is y by 100 into question mark. Instead of that question mark, we consider that is p, that is y by 100 into p. Therefore this 100 and this 100 will get cancelled. X into y is nothing but xy, y into p is nothing but yp. Here y is common on both sides, therefore it will get cancelled. X is equals to p, that is p is nothing but x. Hence option C is correct answer. Let us move on to next problem. Simplify 4 by 15 whole divided by 2 by 5, which is equals to question mark. They given 4 options. In that, first one is 1 by 2, second one is 2 by 3, third one is 3 by 4, and fourth one is 1 by 5. This one write down as it is, that is 4 by 15 whole divided by 2 by 5. When we will take this denominator term to a numerator, it will become a reverse, that is 4 by 15 into 5 by 2. Therefore 5 ones are 5 threes are, 2 ones are 2 twos are, and here 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3, that is 2 by 3. Hence option B is correct answer. Let's move on to next problem. If 2 to the power of 2x minus 1, which is equals to 8 to the power of 3 minus x, then the value of x is, they given 4 options. First one is minus 1, second one is minus 2, third one is 2, and fourth one is 3. Write down the given expression as it is, that is 2 to the power of 2x minus 1, which is equals to 8 to the power of 3 minus x. First we need to make the bases should be same, so that Write down LHS term as it is, and right side this 8 will write as 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2 cube whole to the power of 3 minus x. Therefore 2 to the power of 2x minus 1, 2 to the power of 3 half 3 minus x. Here the bases are same, so powers should be equate. So 2x minus 1, which is equals to 3 of 3 minus x. So 2x minus 1, 3 3s are 9, and 3 minus x is 3x. 3 of minus x is minus 3x. 2x, this minus 3x term you may take into a LHS, it will become plus 3x. And 9 write down as it is. This minus 1 you may take into a RHS side, it will become plus 1, that is 5x is equals to 10. Therefore x is equals to 10 by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore x is equals to 2. Hence option C is correct answer. Okay guys, thanks for watching.